Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and get started with buying SpaceX stock on ETRADE. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ETRADE website right here, ETRADE.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, go right there. If you're using it on your mobile phone, you can just open up the App Store, search for ETRADE, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page. From here the process goes on the same, doesn't matter which platform you're on. The first thing you need to do is go ahead and log into your account. So if you do not already have an account, you're going to have this open an account option that's going to give you the result to go ahead and create an account if you need one. So once you've logged in, you are going to be greeted by the investments page, and here at the top of the screen we can take a look at the trading and investing. This is going to enable us to manage our accounts, platforms, and the stocks options. So you can go and purchase futures, stocks, trade with whatever you prefer, and this is how to get started. From here, once you've opened an account, it's going to open up the dashboard where you can search for stocks, and currently SpaceX is not in the public round. Currently it is only open to private investors, so hopefully sometime in the future, once it goes live and public, you're going to go and be able to get into it. And you can do so by creating an account right here on ETRADE and then going into the stocks trading and the futures trading, finding the SpaceX stock and get started trading with it directly right here from the official website just by following the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.